In this video, I'm going to show you how to export Typeform questions. So there's actually two ways. I'm going to show you both of them. One is easier and the second one is a bit less convenient. So the first thing I usually do to export the questions, I just enter in my form. So I'm going to click on the form and then I want to go to results up top. So just click on results and from here go to responses. Now I know these are responses, but whenever you download these or export them onto your computer inside an XLSX or of course CSV format, you'll receive the questions as well. So I usually go over here, click on XLSX, do export, and it's going to download to my computer. Then I can just basically open up that Excel spreadsheet, and in here I can find all my questions. What I then usually do is to just extend them. So here I'm just going to go and mark these, double click anywhere in between here, and as you can see my full questions. So I'm just going to go and highlight them, copy them by Control-C on my keyboard, and then I can go ahead and basically paste them wherever I want, and I can then use them, and I've kind of exported my questions, okay? That's one way to do it. The second one, though, is a little less convenient because I think it exports in JSON format, but still, you could go back to your forms, to your dashboard, click on your profile name, top left, go into admin settings, and then here from the bottom, you can actually request a zip file with all the questions. So here, Typeform data, you can request a zip file. It's going to be emailed to you onto your email, and here you can find all your form data, questions, answer options, etc. Okay, so that's how to export it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.